Alright guys, 2014 Honda Accord. We're gonna change the spark plugs in this car, and spark plugs are underneath here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this 10 here, 10 here, 10 here, number 10 here, number 10 there, and this cover should come off, and then we'll have access to the ignition coils, and we're gonna remove the ignition coils, and underneath that we'll have the spark plugs. We'll remove those also. There you go. We have the cover off. Now we have 4 coils. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4-cylinder, 4 coils. There's 4 plugs down there. We're gonna take out these number 10s. Alright, next what we'll do is we'll disconnect all the coils. So all you do is push this down and pull the connector off. Usually you don't have to, because you can, let's see if you can lift it out without taking it off. Alright, so what we can do is lift off all the coil packs with the harness, and we'll just put it right back just like that. If you ever see oil on the coils, that means you have a leaking valve gasket. These are the bores inside, so this doesn't have no oil. You're good there. So what we'll do is we'll go get the tools and we'll remove the spark plugs. Alright guys, so these are the plugs we're gonna do. They're iridium, and this is what the plug look like. And you're gonna use we have a snap-on. This is a 14mm socket. This is what fits on it. So this is what we're gonna use right there. All right, so we're gonna take out the 4 plugs. Alright, so you almost got 1 plug out. Let's loosen them all out and then we'll pull them all out. So you want to take it easy, take your time on this one, slowly loosen them all out. Make sure you don't drop anything inside the cylinder bores. No liquid, no metal items or anything. Make sure everything's out of the way. Alright, now we got all the plugs loose in there, but we're gonna need something with the magnet that's gonna pull these plugs out. So this is what we're looking at. All 4 plugs are loose. Make sure there's nothing on it. The magnet. So we're gonna put the magnet in there. That's gonna pull out the plug. If you don't have a magnet, you can use one of the coils to pull out. It might not be loose all the way, so turn it more with the wrench, with the ratchet and socket. If you don't have a magnet, you could take one of the coils, stick it in there. It's gonna grab the plug and pull it out for you. So this is gonna need more loosening a little bit. Alright, so here's the plug while he take out the rest of them. You see that brown burnt area? That's a sign this is this plug been overdue. It's burnt. The tip doesn't look so bad, but still, usually it'll break here, start misfiring. So if your plugs are in that condition, you're overdue already. This car has about close to 100,000 miles. Same thing with that one. All right, he's gonna keep removing the plugs. Meanwhile, I'll show you the new plug next to the old plug. You always want to make sure you measure it. It's not too long or too short. Everything looks about the same. And these plugs are like $20 each, and they're pre-gapped, so we don't need to gap them. And make sure the gap is not closed there. Sometimes if you buy a plug, somebody dropped it at the warehouse and that gap is closed and the car will misfire. So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna take these plugs. We got all 4 of them out. Gently put your finger in there and get the plugs in there, one by one. You don't want to drop it like that because you'll hit the tip on the floor. So what I'm doing, I'm sticking my finger in there and slowly letting it land right in the center. All right, now we're gonna try to grab all the threads by hand first. Make sure you torque your plugs. Every car has a different spec. Usually you can call up the manufacturer, they'll give you a spec, or the part department. These plugs are only like 12 foot-pound about, so make sure don't go with the number that I'm giving you. Make sure you find your number, the correct number. Alright, so we got all the plugs in there. We're gonna hand tighten them a little bit, only like a turn or so, and then torque. Get them all one turn each, so it's nice and snugged. Then we'll torque it and come right back. Alright, so we'll be right back. We're gonna torque them and come back. Alright, so we got the plugs torqued. Make sure they're torqued, make sure they're tight. You don't want to leave them loose. And we're ready to put the coils in. So you take all 4 coils, make sure in the same order. You don't want to put one on the other place because it will misfire. Push them right in. Make sure you get the harness aligned where it belongs. Make sure all the connector, if you did take out the connector, make sure they're nice and tight. So we're gonna take the number 10s that holds the coils down. We're gonna put those in. And we're done with spark plugs. This is a 2014 Honda Accord 4-cylinder. Tighten them down, and let's say you're done, and put the cover on. Alright, we're gonna put the cover on now and we're done. So we have the cover on. Make sure you put the bolts on the cover. It's like 5 bolts that go into the holes. And that's it. That's how you change the spark plugs on a 2014 Honda Accord.